Hi, welcome to Hungry Hunt. Our today's recipe is Aloo Papad. It is a vegetable dish. Aloo Papad, a Bengali humble dish, not much pomp and grandeur, but once or twice in a month, this simple item at dinner can be made when your vegetable basket is empty, and it is an easy choice for the cook of the house too. Now let's start with the ingredients. Since this is aloo papad, we need aloo or potato, papad. In masalas we need onion paste, ginger paste, red chili paste. Here you can substitute red chili paste with red chili powder, salt, jaggery, or you can use sugar, 1 bay leaf and few green cardamom. We will be cooking the dish in mustard oil. Now let's start. First peel the potato. In this cooking you can use boiled potatoes also if you are in a hurry. We will cut the potato into dices. This amount of potato is enough for 3 people. Chop the onion very finely. Now let's start with the cooking. I have put 2 tablespoons of oil to fry the papad. Once the oil gets hot, start frying them in batches. Don't over fry them because it will be later on cooked along with the gravy. Next we will fry the potatoes. While frying, we will put 1/4 spoon of salt and little amount of turmeric. Turmeric is essential in this cooking. We will cover the pan and do the frying. Now in the same oil, we will put 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of sugar or jaggery. Here I am using jaggery. Lower the flame and I'll put the onion, the chopped onion. The usage of jaggery or sugar directly in the oil gives the dish a nice color. You can increase the flame a bit. We will fry the onion till the brown color comes. Next I will put one tablespoon of onion paste, half tablespoon of ginger paste, half tablespoon of red chili paste, or you can use here red chili powder also. Always remember, it is best to use freshly made masala. It has two benefits. One, you need little quantity of the paste and the taste comes very subtle. We will fry the masala till oil comes on top. While cooking, always use fresh masala paste. It has two benefits. One, you need little quantity of the masala and the taste comes very subtle. Now you can see the oil has come out on top. We will keep one papad for decoration, and now put first the potatoes. Give it a stir. I'll give you one trick for a good veggie dish. Whenever you will be cooking any vegetable dish or any fish, meat, any dish, always use hot water in the cooking. The potato and the masalas are almost done. Now we are going to put the warm water. Put sufficient water. You need to soften the potatoes. I put little amount of salt here. Don't do much with salt because the papad contains salt. Cover it and cook. At the end, we will put 2 crushed green cardamom. You should always open the pod of the cardamom and crush it. Now let's check the potato. It's almost done. Put the flame off. We will put the fried peppers in the gravy. and the crushed green cardamom. This green cardamom is going to give this dish a unique taste. This is a must in this recipe, remember. Cover it and keep it for 5 minutes. Let's check it after 5 minutes. Yes, it is done. Your aloo papad is ready. Have with plain rice or rice and musur dal, or if you are a bread lover, have it with Indian roti. If you love the dish, like, share and subscribe the channel, and please give your comment on the comment box below.